Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode. Today's video is different from other container houses featured before on this channel. In this video, we bring you outstanding residential suites insulated using clay bricks in a star-rated Ocean Residence built using 18 shipping containers in Langkawi, Malaysia. Stay tuned to find out how to insulate a shipping container home using clay bricks. Welcome back. The container house at the Ocean Residence Langkawi, Malaysia is a two-story building made of 18 recycled shipping containers artfully assembled in a courtyard layout to create an avant-garde residential building. From outside, it is possible to dismiss this house because of the dominant maroon exterior. That assumption completely evaporates once you step inside these luxurious shipping container suites. What makes this building unique and different from your everyday container home is the ingenious use of clay bricks to finish and insulate the interior of the shipping container suites. From inside, you can hardly tell this is a shipping container building except the exposed container corner posts, the white painted ceiling showing the container roof corrugations, and selected areas showing the exposed container walls. The containers accommodate 10 elegant container suites. We are going to highlight the amazing design considerations applied in all the 10 suites, starting with the most affordable suite. So the first suite we'll look at is container suite number 1, the most affordable and located on the ground floor level of the container house. Just a few steps away from the ocean shore and the infinity swimming pool, the suite features a large double bed and a private sitting area with a couch. The suite has a full private bathroom, and a portion of the maroon corrugated container walls can be seen in the bathroom. The suite has floor-to-ceiling doors opening to a private outdoor sitting area to enjoy the amazing views of the ocean. Next is the container suite number 2. This is yet another accommodation of a big open space partitioned between shipping containers placed parallel to each other. This suite has a spacious terrace that overlooks the garden and the ocean. The suite has everything for a comfortable stay, including a large bed, a private sitting area, and a spacious modern bathroom. The most noticeable feature in this suite is the rustic interior finish. The use of exposed ceiling showing the container roof corrugations, the exposed brick walls throughout the interior space, the wooden doors, and the antique furniture pieces creates a grounded rustic feel that beautifully contrasts with the light-filled interiors. Next is the suite number 3. This is a spacious and airy space occupying the width of 2 shipping containers. The suite is perfect for a couple or guests looking to enjoy peace and quiet in a sizable space. The suite features a large double bed and a private sitting area with a couch. The brick wall straight above the headboard is plastered and painted to infuse some contrast in the brick-lined interior. The suite has a fully tiled, spacious bathroom. Portions of the maroon corrugated container wall can be spotted in the bathroom. The suite has doors opening to a private outdoor sitting area to enjoy the amazing views of the ocean. Next is container suite number 4. This is one of the coziest suites. The suite is a ground floor room that also features a staircase to the upper story. The room has a large double bed between the bathroom and the staircase. The bathroom has hot and cold shower facilities, plus plenty of space for a couple of guests to enjoy their time. The space on the ground floor is kept and compact with additional seating upstairs. Next is suite number 5. This is a bright and spacious deluxe suite located on the upper floor of the container house, ideal for 2 guests. The most notable feature in this suite is the exposed corner posts with the shipping container width being clearly visible in a 2-module container space. The suite has a comfortable double bed, a fully fitted kitchen, and a private sitting area, plus lots of relaxation space. Apart from the kitchen backsplash and the bathroom, the interior walls are lined with brick throughout, and flooring is finished with ceramic tiles. The suite also features a balcony where you can enjoy a view of the sea. Next is suite number 6. This is a deluxe room resembling a studio apartment and would be perfect for a couple or anyone looking for a comfortable stay. The room sits lengthwise between 2 parallel shipping containers, offering spacious rooms with a luxurious experience. The suite features a fully kitted kitchen that fits within the width of 1 shipping container, a small dining table that can seat up to 4, a private sitting area to relax with a panoramic view of the sea, plus a comfortable double bed in a big open space. Apart from the tiled kitchen backsplash and the bathroom walls, the entire interior of this suite has ceramic floors and exposed brick walls, evoking a rustic feel that beautifully contrasts with the daylight-filled interiors. Suite number 7. This is a deluxe premium. It is a unique apartment space where the bathrooms and the bedrooms are located on the mezzanine level. A wooden staircase is used to access the mezzanine level. The beds are placed upstairs, overlooking the double-volume dining space to create a feeling of being on a sailing boat. The room features a downstairs kitchen and a relaxing area. The wall separating the kitchen and the lounge, plus the bedroom headboard wall, are plastered and painted purple. The apartment is fitted with big glass doors and windows for adequate daylighting and also for the panoramic views of the sea. Next is container suite number 8. This is a deluxe premium plus. This suite oozes a lot of luxury and opulence. This suite occupies a hybrid space built with shipping containers enclosing an immediate infill space. For this reason, this suite has all the corrugated container walls and ceiling visible throughout. The suite has got 2 bedrooms with queen-size beds and can comfortably accommodate 4 adults. The bedrooms are well lit with the glazing fitted with full-height curtains to cut off excess sunlight. Also has a big lounge with cozy sofa seats, a dining area and a kitchen. In this suite, there are no brick walls since the infill space encloses the containers, eliminating the need for insulation. The bathrooms are big and fully tiled with modern fittings and fixtures. Next is container suite number 9. This is a cozy suite for 2 adults. It features a large comfortable bed, a sitting area for private relaxation, and a spacious wardrobe space. There are hot and cold shower facilities and a cozy bathroom attached to the suite. In this luxury suite, the brick walling is non-existent. Most of this suite is a hybrid space, hence enclosing most of the shipping containers. The interiors are plastered and painted in a different color palette. The suite has exposed ceiling with corrugated container roof, with the hybrid section covered in white painted box profile corrugated steel ceiling. Last but not least, the most luxurious unit in this apartment is container suite C10. This is the most luxurious apartment. It features a double floor apartment with 3 bedrooms. It has a fully furnished kitchen with modern appliances and adequate cabinet storage, plus a dining space. Each room has a fully tiled bathroom with modern fittings and fixtures. There is also a dedicated sitting area where you can relax in private or watch television. The suite has a big relaxation area upstairs that overlooks the ocean. The entrance to the container suite number 10 also has a relaxation area where you can sit before entering the suite. The use of exposed brick walls and stairways made of reclaimed wood are used throughout this suite, evoking the industrial vibe of the design. The use of exposed corrugated container roofs and interior brick walls throughout this amazing design gives nice zero maintenance wall finishes befitting such a public facility. On the outside, the containers are painted in a maroon color, still holding labels of the original metal plates and identification numbers. This helps to document the marine life and history of these shipping containers. The containers and outdoor spaces on the first story are covered with the hovering roofs of maroon painted box profile steel roofing that evokes the intrinsic Malaysian architecture. The big maroon roofs gives aesthetic appeal to the building, but also shields the shipping containers from direct weather elements. The containers and outdoor spaces on the ground floor level are covered by bullnose verandas made from maroon painted box profile steel roofing to effectively sunshade the building by cutting off any direct solar radiation. We love the way the architect designed with the environment by not falling into the trap of using a one-size-fits-all approach of using spray foam to insulate the shipping containers. What impressed you the most about this container ocean residence? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.